Hello friends, in this video we are going to install IntelliJ IDEA, IDE for Java programming, for which you have to go to jetbrains.com, which is the company behind this IDE, and they build a couple of other IDEs as well, so just make sure that you're downloading the correct one. So go to tools, and then from tools menu you can select IntelliJ IDEA and then click on download. Now IDEA comes in two different editions. One is Ultimate and the other one is Community. So in Ultimate edition you have some extra features, some extra bells and whistles, but the downside is that you have to buy it. Okay, you can try it for a certain period of time, but it's a paid tool. You have to buy licenses for that. But for our purpose, Community Edition is just fine. We are going to download the Community Edition only. Okay, and it comes again in two different formats. One is the executable one, .exe, and .zip. So I'm going to download the exe file, the executable file. If you're using a different operating system, then choose the installer accordingly. And I have already downloaded the file. It's approximately 360 MB in size. So I've already downloaded it. Now I'll just install it. Double click, which opens up the installer. Next, there's a default installation folder. Just make sure that you have enough space available. I am going to select 64-bit launcher because that's the operating system version that I'm going to use. And I don't need to create any associations as such, but you can select Java, Groovy, whatever, if you want. And I don't need to download the JRE as well because we will install JDK separately. We'll install Java separately. I have a separate video for that. Click next, and it will create a start menu. Install, and this is going to take some time, so just sit back and relax, maybe grab a cup of coffee. Okay, finally the installation is complete, so you can finish this now, and I'll open IntelliJ IDEA. It's asking me to import settings if there is any, but I didn't have any previous version of IDEA. So I'll just select, which is already auto-selected, do not import settings. Click OK. And then it will ask me to set up few things. This kind of initial configuration that you have to do just one time. I prefer using the dark theme. For now, I am going to use the default one, IntelliJ. Next, we'll select the default plugins. Usually I disable all the plugins that I'm not going to use. So for me, Swing, Android, plugin dev kit, fine. You can see there are different build tools. I'm okay with this. And fine, the rest of it looks good to me. I'll select next feature plugins. I am not going to install any feature plugins now. In case if I need any, I can do that later. And I'll just select start using IntelliJ IDEA. And there we are, installation is done. Now you are good to go to create a new project, open existing one, or you can check out any existing projects that you may have on your version control system like GitHub. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.